is letter I. Ice cream, ice, igloo, ink, internet, insect, island, iguana.
Thank you, Alex!
This is letter I. I know where the exit in this letter I is.
So good!
Yeah!
Let's play a game. Alex and Anne, look at the picture and we'll remember all the pictures.
This is an ice cream picture.
So good!
Yeah!
This is an iguana picture. Excellent! Yay!
This is an ink picture.
So good!
Yeah!